Am I a sumo?
Yes, Mama Rade.
And you may a king cancer. Ever my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may a king cancer. Ever free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we're reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani, Tina Tet Hayan Herbal Capsule, a drawing Tina per what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Obroni Bessie, see clear.
Ayano Crow, Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Tina Tet Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Tina Tet Hayan.
See clear.
Kinaata drawing FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
This is the Ghana TV Entertainment segment. Nikki is my name. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that anything we drop, you would have a taste of it. Yes, as you can see, I'm glitting and glowing. It's all Glit and Glow product. Please make sure you get one for yourself if you really want to glit and glow like I'm looking. And also when it comes to organic foods, then it's Janelle Organics. Yeah, Janelle Organics. They do have Tom Brown. They do have granite paste, fufu powder, percocet powder. Everything is at Janelle Organics. So please make sure you get one for yourself. Okay. Oh yeah. They call me Eugene. Yes, as super rockstar Kwame Eugene. Recently, it is trending everyone's social media that Kwame Eugene has actually left Lanes and has gone to join Empire, where we all know that Black Sheriff is. Do you think Kwame Eugene would just leave Lanes and then join Empire? For me, I feel like it's like I don't believe, because I don't really know the main motive behind this. He leaving Lanes and then joining Empire. Well, we'll see about that. Okay, so currently, Kwame Eugene had a very warm welcome at New Zealand. Yeah, there's a traditional theme that is done, and then they welcome Kwame Eugene nicely with it. It was just so superb. Watching the video yourself, you'd get to know that, yeah, it was just so nice. The reception Kwame Eugene had was pleased by Ghanaians, and he got so excited himself. And also, these people took pictures with him. Who would see Kwame Eugene and wouldn't want to take a picture with him? Yeah, a superstar. So they took so many pictures with him, getting excited seeing him. And also, these people were in this kind of outfits. For me, when I saw them, I felt like, hey, Charlie, because it was kind of scary. They had so many tattoos on their bodies and this writings on their faces. They looked interesting, but a little scary because it was okay. And then they made some other moves too. They were doing some kind of dancing thing. It was scary because everything, okay, it looked like this Indian something. I've not seen some before, but well. And you know, Kwame Eugene took pictures with them doing the signs they were doing and everything. And one of them actually hugged him. And then they had this head meeting, and then I was even thinking they were going to kiss, but that wasn't what happened. Yes, it was just head-to-head meeting, something. I'm sure that's part of their tradition. So as you saw for yourself, it was just so nice. They welcomed him nicely, and it was just lovely. It was just so superb. It was just so superb. Okay, so this is Ghana TV. I would like to end today's entertainment here. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that I would bring to you more and more fun and then legit news and trending news as well. Nikki is my name. Love you.
Tribulus terrestris, Kayani Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sawa di noya mabobosu nyina. Enu ne yedi ahye Kinaata 230 herbal. Wo ya bema na wo no mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Enu ane sa wo benum bi. Wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Kinaata 230 herbal. Eye yen kwankwa. Power to the people. Me 230. So I what feeling? How down me back? Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah!
Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra ofasa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne oma ne banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.